Hello, let me introduce you this original BMW Drive Recorder, how we use it, how it works. Okay, so we go to app, then we choose the installed app, then we choose the Drive Recorder. Okay, choose this guy. Okay, there's a setting. Let me explain to you one by one this setting. So we can use the start setting up assist to get these settings done, and you can also manually trigger each of them. So first one is recording allowed. If you don't want to recording anything, you can disable this. And this one is a before trigger. That means if you want, for example, if you see something, but when you press the start the recording, actually the situation is already gone. That means you cannot see this one anymore. In this case, you can do this kind of a before trigger. That means 20 seconds. You can because the camera is all around your car. This camera have some memory. If you set it to 20 seconds, then this camera, all the camera will save like 20 seconds in the memory all the time. Even you say start recording, actually from this point, the previous 20 seconds is already in the car memory. You can keep them. Okay, for example, you see an accident, but you want to start this recording manually, but this accident is gone. But if you put this 20 seconds before trigger, then when you click the starting, then the previous 20 seconds is saved. It will be saved into your video. Okay, it's like a video recording the past actions. Okay, that's it. That's the before trigger. And after trigger, that means the video recorded how long you want. You can choose 20 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay, this is the manual one. Then this one is camera selection. You can choose front camera or all camera, front and back, front only, rear only. Okay, we choose the front only. Okay, then this menu means you can use, for example, when you are driving, you want to manually capture something which is happening in front of you. Then if you want to toggle into this setting, is troublesome because you are driving focus on road. So very easy way to trigger this camera recording is by this button. Press and hold this button. Okay, then press and hold. Okay, then this recording will start it manually, and he will record 10 seconds. And before you press, before the video recording starting, it's already recorded as 20 seconds. So you will get a total will be 30 seconds long video clip. Okay, like this. Okay, then it's automatically. This automatically means when your vehicle detect any accident situation, for example, you hit someone or someone hit you, or you pass by a hump, or something, the vehicle is shaking, then it will be recorded automatically starting. Okay, this is how this camera works. Okay, so, and as in the save record, we can see different views. This is the front and back camera. This is a 4-view camera. This is the front only. This is the rear only. Yeah, this is the front only. Yeah. Okay, and you can do pause, next, export to some drive. You can delete it. Okay, so this is how the drive record works in BMW. Yeah, the video saved is inside the hard disk. You don't need to put a extra thumb drive over the USB port or anywhere else. I'm not sure about this the capacity of this video record, but I believe it's internal hard disk, so quite big, won't be too small. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.